Hey teachers, imagine a fully funded trip to Wales this summer without paying a penny. Sounds too good to be true. Well, in 15 seconds, not 15 seconds, more than that, I don't know how much it's going to take long. I'm revealing how you can apply for this free teacher program. No German skills or IELTS needed, so don't click away because spots are limited and the deadline is looming. Ready for the details? Let's go. As a teacher myself, I know how scarce funding and international experiences can be. We often hear about student scholarship, but what about teachers? Many of us crave fresh ideas, new methods, and global connections, but we face tight budgets and busy schedules. It's frustrating. You want to travel, collaborate with colleagues abroad, and bring back innovative lessons for your students, but how? Too often, this opportunity seems out of reach. I've been there, but today I've got amazing news that could change that. Introducing the UK German Study Visit 2026, a fully funded professional development trip for teachers in Wales. This isn't a scholarship for students, it's a free experience for educators like you. From June 25 to 27, 2026, you could be in Wales attending workshops, touring schools, and exchanging ideas with German and UK teachers. And the best part, everything is covered: accommodation, expert led workshop, school visits, all free. You only cover minor incidentals, and even your travel costs are reimbursed afterwards. In short, you get all the benefits of an international conference without any of the costs. So let's break down the perks. Full funding. The UK German connection covers your hotel and event fees. You only need to pay a small share of your travel upfront, then get it back later. Basically, a cash flow issue, not an expense. Expert insights. You'll meet educational experts and discover cutting edge curriculum ideas in Wales. Learn how schools make lessons relevant and meaningful for the future. It's gold for any teacher's toolkit. Real classroom visits. Ever wanted to see how another school runs? This trip includes visits to Welsh schools. You'll see curriculum innovation in action and get practical teaching tips from host teachers. Global networking. You'll be part of a group of UK and German teachers sharing experiences. It's a two-way street. You share your methods, they share theirs, and you all grow. This boosts your professional network and might even kickstart future projects. Project and action plans. By the end, you'll brainstorm real projects for your school based on what you learn. Think cultural exchange programs, new lesson plans, or digital partnerships. It's practical stuff you can implement immediately. Digital tools. The seminar also explores online tools that make teaching fun and connections easy. So even after you leave Wales, you have ways to keep collaborating. Pretty amazing, right? And remember, this is globally minded program. You don't need to speak German or take any tests. It's all in English with friendly support. The only major requirement is enthusiasm for international teaching and backing from your school principal. So talk to them because you'll need the support to go. Who can apply? Any teacher from the UK, primary, secondary, or SEN without an existing German partnership at their school. Don't worry if you teach English, maths, art, or PE. All subjects are welcome. You just need a supportive school environment. No German language skills are required. No IELTS or GOTA exam needed. If you're in Germany, you can apply too, but if you're outside those countries and hear about this, keep an eye out. There might be similar opportunities or ways to connect. For now, it's UK and German teachers sharing ideas. So ready to apply? Here's a simple breakdown. Check with your school leader, which is the first step. You'll need your head teacher support. Send them the details or forward this video. Explain how beneficial this could be for your school. Emphasize it's fully funded, so it's a win-win situation for everybody. Second is you need to gather info. You need to find the official form, which is nothing, but I'm going to put it down for you. It's a Microsoft Forms application. If I show that to you, okay, yeah, as you can see on the screen, if you click on this, there'll be a Microsoft form which will be opening up for you, and you need to fill all your details, teaching background, and probably answer a few short questions about why you were interested. Third important thing is you need to draft your answers. Think about why global curriculum matters to you. Mention any ideas you have for projects or what you hope to learn. Show your passion. The organizers want enthusiastic teachers who will share what they learn with others. Next important thing is submit before deadline. The deadline is 28th April 2026. I'm sorry for getting across at a later stage. Sorry for that. I know it's just one day left for the application. We need to mark your calendar. Don't wait until last minute. These opportunities fill quickly. Prepare a request for supply cover. Since it's a few days out of term, you may request help covering your classes. You can ask up to 50% of their cost and submit this alongside your application if needed. That's it. If chosen, you'll hear back around 11th May 2026. Then you pack your bags and get ready to go to Wales. Here are some insider hacks. You need to write a strong motivation. Don't just say like I want a free trip. You need to talk about specific goals like using new tech or creating UK German pen pal program. Passion is going to win. Use school data if possible. Mention something from your school's improvement plan. Maybe your school aims to go international or use more digital tools. Connect with past participants if there is anything like on LinkedIn. Try to connect to them. Avoid common pitfalls like don't submit too late or double check all the answers, and keep your responses concise but personal. And yes, triple check that you hit submit on the form. It happens more than you think. And network early even before going. Connect with the program organizers. Ask questions. It shows initiative and might make you stand out. Plus, you'll feel more prepared once you are actually there. Okay, the time is ticking. Remember that the deadline is 28th of April 2026, 23:59 BST. That's not far off. Apply now or you'll miss out on a trip that could transform your teaching career. Literally a free international conference for you and your colleagues. Imagine bringing back new ideas and a fresh perspective to your school. You don't want to regret skipping this because of procrastination. Hit pause, click the link below and get started. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps more teachers see these opportunities. Subscribe to our channel Scholarship for more fully funded programs like this one. Drop a comment if you're applying or if you have questions, and don't forget to apply now before the deadline. Good luck, and I can't wait to hear which of you goes to Wales this summer. We'll see you in the next video. Happy teaching.